Today we're going over lesson 9.3, which is as titled as that key concept right on the top. It's fundamental counting principle. The fundamental counting principle states word for word, if event M has m possible outcomes, and event capital N has lowercase n possible outcomes, then event M followed by event N has m times n possible outcomes. Meaning, put this into a little more layman's terms for my example. If I flip a penny and then I flip a dime, each coin has two possible outcomes as heads and tails. So the total possible outcomes are the 2 times for the 2 outcomes of the penny and times 2 for the 2 outcomes for the dime. Right? Penny, heads or tails, so that's 2 options. Dime, heads or tails, so that's 2 options. So 2 times 2 equals 4 is my total number of possible outcomes. This is just saying we can multiply instead of making those tree diagrams to do that. Example 1 says shopping. At the mall, the store offers a t-shirt in black, blue, red, and pink in small, medium, and large sizes. What is the total number of different shirts a store offers? So, looking at the t-shirt, we have what? We have different colors to start with, right? Colors. How many different colors? Let's see, black, blue, red, and pink. So that's 4. Now how about what sizes do we have? Sizes are small, medium, and large, so that's 3. So to find out our total options, number of outcomes, we multiply them. 4 times 3 is going to give us 12 outcomes, 12 possible t-shirts that they offer. The next example is Yahtzee. A Yahtzee is achieved when someone rolls 5 number cubes and gets the same number on every number cube. So what is the total number of outcomes of rolling 5 number cubes? Well, number cube 1, we're going to say cube 2, cube 3, cube 4, and 5. Some might say, why are you even writing all these out? Can't we just do 6 times 5 and get it done with? That's not true, though. We have 6 options for cube 1. Cube 2 can also roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So there's 6 options on cube 2. Cube 3, there's also another 6 option. And cube 4 has 6 different faces, as well as cube 5. Each cube is the same, but we have 6 options on each of them. So to find this out, we have to do 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. That could also be simplified as 6 to the 5th power, but we're just going to multiply one at a time here. So we got 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. And I get 7,776. So there's 7,776 possible outcomes. So notice keyword possible should remind you of probability is what we're looking at here. What is the total number of ways to roll a Yahtzee? So probability of Yahtzee. And this next question is asking, how about the number favorable? How many different ways can we get a Yahtzee? Well, we can either roll all 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, or 6. So there's only 6 ways to get a Yahtzee. So we've got 6 favorable. We already know our number possible is 6 to the 5th, or 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, or 7,776. So now, what is the probability of rolling a Yahtzee? So answering these questions up here, we'll fill in our answers. 7,776, 6 ways. So our probability is 6 over 7,776. But if we wrote it this way, we realize we can actually cancel out pretty easily. We can cancel one set of 6 for both the top and the bottom. So you get 1 over 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which in turn is going to give us 1 over 1,296. So that is, taking the calculator up, we'll just divide this by 6, and we get 1,296. So, it's not very common to get a Yahtzee if it's 1 out of 1,296 is your probability. So lastly here, we have find the number of outcomes in the following situation. If we had an outfit with 8 different swimming suits and 3 different sandals. So if we're going to the beach, we have 8 suit options, 3 sandals. Multiplying those together, we'll have 24 different outfits. Now, if we rolled 2 number cubes, remember, this isn't just the number 2, but it's 2 cubes. Cubes have 6 faces, so we have 6 options for both cubes. And then with 2 coins, coin 1 and coin 2, they're both going to have 2 options. They're heads or tails, typically. So multiplying them all together, 6 times 6 is 36, times 2 times 2. 36 times 2 is going to give us 72 times 2. And then 72 times 2 gives us 144. 144 total hours. So again, if you need more examples done, they are available on Moodle under the Peer Tutors link.